What if I told you that for billions of years, half of our closest celestial neighbor has been deliberately hiding its true face from us? Imagine an entire world, just a stone's throw away, keeping secrets only now beginning to reveal themselves. Today, we're not just looking at the moon, we're diving deep into its enigmatic, unseen half. This isn't just about craters and rocks. It's about unlocking ancient secrets, understanding our solar system's violent past, and maybe even finding answers to questions we haven't even thought to ask yet. Prepare to have your perception of our moon changed forever. For as long as humans have gazed at the night sky, one side of our moon has remained an eternal mystery. It's the side that never shows its face, perpetually hidden from our view here on Earth. We've called it the dark side, a common mistake, because it gets just as much sunlight as the side we see. But far side, that's where the real story lies. This isn't just a different view, it's practically a different world. A stark contrast to the familiar face that winks at us every night. This hidden half isn't just a curiosity. It's a giant ancient canvas, painted with the story of our solar system's birth and the tumultuous life of our very own celestial companion. It offers incredible clues about how the moon formed and how it's evolved, holding pieces of a puzzle that help us understand not just our satellite, but the entire cosmic neighborhood we call home. Now, if you thought the moon we see is just a big gray ball, the far side will shock you. Its most striking feature, the one that makes it look so different, is the almost complete absence of those big dark splotches we call Maria. Think of the near side, the one we always see. It's got these huge, smooth, dark plains, like the Sea of Tranquility where Apollo 11 landed. These Maria are basically giant scars, ancient impact basins that later filled up with molten rock, or basalt, from volcanic eruptions billions of years ago. They're like vast, solidified lava lakes, but swing around to the far side, and it's a completely different story. It's covered in heavily cratered highlands, like an old battered golf ball that's seen a million rounds. There are very few Maria there. Why such a dramatic difference? Well, scientists have a fascinating theory. It's believed that the elements that generate heat deep inside the moon were not spread out evenly. Instead, they were concentrated more towards the side that faces Earth. This uneven distribution of heat would have caused more extensive volcanic activity and lava flows on the near side, creating those dark Maria. On the far side, without as much internal heat to melt rock and push it to the surface, those impact basins never really filled up, leaving behind a heavily pockmarked ancient landscape. But don't let the lack of Maria fool you into thinking the far side is boring. In fact, it's home to one of the most incredible geological wonders in our solar system, the South Pole Aitken Basin. This thing is gargantuan, spanning roughly 2,500 kilometers across, making it one of the largest and oldest impact basins anywhere. To give you some perspective, that's like stretching from New York to Denver. This isn't just a big dent, it's a direct window into the moon's deep past. When whatever enormous object slammed into the moon to create this basin, it excavated material from deep within the moon's mantle, bringing ancient, untouched rock closer to the surface. It's like a giant cosmic archaeological dig site. Studying the minerals and elements found here could tell us exactly what the moon is made of deep down and how it formed billions of years ago. Plus, because of its low-lying terrain and protected environment, there's a real possibility of finding significant amounts of water ice in the permanently shadowed craters within the basin. Imagine that. Frozen water on the moon's hidden face. And speaking of craters, the far side is a masterclass in lunar geology. The density of craters here is simply mind-boggling. It tells us that this side has been exposed to the harsh vacuum of space and bombarded by asteroids and comets for an incredibly long time, perhaps even longer or more intensely than the near side. By carefully studying the size, shape, and distribution of these craters, scientists can piece together a timeline, a chronology of bombardment that doesn't just apply to the moon, but helps us understand the entire early solar system. It's like reading a cosmic history book, where each crater is a chapter about a violent, chaotic past when planets were still forming and space was a shooting gallery. This refined understanding helps us nail down the ages of other planetary surfaces in our solar system, making the far side a crucial piece of the puzzle for planetary scientists. With such unique features, it's no wonder the moon's far side is at the forefront of future lunar exploration. It's not just a place to visit, it's a place for groundbreaking science. One of the most exciting prospects is using it for radio astronomy. Because the far side is completely shielded from the Earth, it's essentially a giant cosmic quiet zone. All the radio signals, TV broadcasts, and mobile phone chatter from Earth fade away, creating an unparalleled environment for listening to the universe without any interference. Imagine building giant radio telescopes there, allowing us to pick up faint signals from the very edges of the cosmos, signals that would be completely drowned out by our own planet's noise. This could offer pristine observations of black holes, the formation of the first stars, and even insights into the Big Bang itself. In a monumental achievement that truly opened up this hidden world, China's Chang'e 4 mission made history in 2019 by successfully landing a spacecraft on the far side of the moon. This wasn't easy. Communication requires a relay satellite orbiting the moon. But they did it. The rover, U-22, has been exploring the South Pole Aitken Basin, providing invaluable data and stunning images, giving humanity its first real boots-on-the-ground look at this mysterious landscape. This mission didn't just collect data. It paved the way, setting the stage for future missions from various nations, all eager to unlock the far side's secrets. So the moon's far side isn't just a barren, cratered wasteland. It's a geological treasure trove, a landscape of mystery, holding crucial insights into the moon's formation, its long dance with Earth, and the wider, wild history of our solar system. Every new probe, every piece of data, every image continues to peel back the layers of this ancient, silent world, reshaping our understanding of our nearest neighbor, and, by extension, the entire universe we inhabit. The secrets of the far side are slowly but surely unveiling themselves, promising discoveries that could truly change our perspective forever. If you want to dive even deeper into the moon's mysteries, click on this video right here to learn more.